Hello guys, and welcome back to this amazing week. We actually had an amazing week, and I want to start off with BTC, and I want us to pay more closer look to BTC and see where BTC is heading to, and also how we could take advantage of BTC. So I would like to start BTC from the monthly so that we could see what we have on BTC. So BTC from the monthly time frame, okay, let me just add this to it. But BTC has previously been, this was our previous higher high, higher low, higher high. Price used this and price moved to form a new higher high. So let me remove this. That's why I removed this in the first instance. Now this is the venue we have presently in BTC. We've created let me remove this. This is just a measurement for the next high, where we could be in the next high. Okay, so we have higher high, higher low, here, higher low here, higher high. Okay, this is a bullish sign, higher high also. And one thing I want to be assured is anytime we are in higher low, prices move faster than when we're in higher high coming back to higher low. Meaning this is our impulse phase, this is our corrective phase, this is our impulse phase, this is our corrective phase, and now we are in the impulse phase, which is supposed to move very fast. So here price does not respect in the impulse phase, price does not respect a lot of retracement. We just noticed that price is just giving us big candle, and you can see this week is closing with a morning star. This candle, and this candle, these two candles is bullish engulfing, but adding these three to it in a retracement makes it the morning star. So this is a vital evidence that we are going to explode on BTC, and BTC is going to go to a new higher high. I'm expecting BTC to come to at least 150. That's just my own expectation, at least 150, because when I measured my zones, I realized that the next zone falls around 150, so I just kept my zone there and expect to move. So let's go deep into it. Let's see how we could still benefit from what is going on. So we already know that monthly is bullish. Now weekly is also supposed to be also in line with what we are looking for, but before, weekly was higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. So we have lower low here, lower high here, and we expect price to go down, but price came back here and rejected. For price to reject here, price is not going to for price to reject here, the next target for price is here before we could see anything like this. So for price to have rejected here, it means that price wants to take out these guys and head a journey here. So Immediately we see this rejection pull out, I'm expecting this candle to go up here before a retracement. I'm not expecting any retracement in this low. So for that reason, I'm bullish on BTC and I'm buying BTC up to this zone. So for every opportunity I see to buy, I'm buying. Why? Because of this movement. This movement has to complete its move first, and the move first is to take out this previous side. So I'm buying first, so I'm not waiting for any retracement. So let's go down to now we've seen that weekly have changed from lower low to forming lower high, so we need a new higher high on weekly, which we can see lower low, lower high, lower low here again, and we're expecting a higher high. So we need a higher high here before we can see a higher low on weekly. So let's go down to daily and let's capitalize on the fact that we closed and we are heading up higher. So our daily zones are far and they are not relevant again, so I'm not seeing any daily zone to be relevant. The only zone here that is relevant is this weekly zone, and this weekly zone is the zone I'm actually waiting for. Let me make it a little bit okay, I think it's fine because this is where the lower low make connections with, so I like it to touch. Yeah, I think it touches like that. Okay, fine. Okay, so here I'm not looking to sell. I'm not looking to sell, but if price should sell, fine. If price sells, fine, I'll look for buy around here. But presently, price has not given us any rejection yet. Forget the fact that we are seeing all these small candles. No rejection yet. Price has held this bullishness. This is pin bar here, and this is a very strong candle here that signifies that we are still bullish. After taking out this low, this price closed pin bar. Pin bar, did you see? We didn't come back to close anywhere lower than this. So I'm bullish still on BTC, and I'd love to see how it goes. So presently on daily, there's no reaction for me on daily. I've not seen until I see evening bearish candle close, then I know that okay, we don't have a daily zone. For now, I don't have a daily zone, and I'm just monitoring with the effect of what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing the price is still more bullish than bearish, so I'm just following the bullish order flow. So let's go to H4 because that's the next zone. Now H4, I'm presently in this trade here, and why am I in this trade? Okay, this is my H4 higher high. After breaking out of the weekly zone, we have a higher high, higher low. Price, I was expecting the rejection. Honestly, I was expecting a rejection after the close of this candle, but the close of this candle was not really, sorry about that, the close of this candle was not really it was not really interesting to me. I wasn't feeling it, so I did enter, and I was just looking at the candle. This candle is not really bossy. I would have loved to see a bearish candle like this here, giving me percentage balance. I have 80% here that bears in control. That's why we closed the next candle bearish, but this didn't give me any percentage bearish because it looks like a 50-50 chance. Combining the three candles together, 1, 2, 3, it looks like a 50-50 chance. So I was not really impressed with going in on shorts. So what I did was I ignored, and when I came back to the chart, I think this has moved its way. When I came back to the chart, I saw something entirely different, and that thing shook me. Yes, it did shook me, because when I came back, I realized that price took out all the sellers. Yeah, because this is a selling point here, and this is another selling point, and price took them all out. So I believe for price to take them out, that means we are continuing on the buy side. So I marked this zone, which was the deceit zone that brought sellers in and wiped them out, as the next zone for buyers to start buying from. So I'm expecting buyers to come in here. The market has really been slow, but anyways, I'm still in the trade and I'm expecting buyers to come in. Mostly I notice that trades always move on Sundays, especially if there's a particular direction that the market wants to go. On Sunday, you notice that the direction starts getting fulfillment. So I'm hoping for Sunday, which is going to be tomorrow, to see some direction. Either it takes us out or it goes in a direction. So if price should come below, then this is my major zone to look out for buy opportunities. And also looking at the way price has been going, price has not really given me a very huge retracement. Price has not given any huge retracement since this turnaround. Price has been moving and moving and moving. So if price should come back to this zone, I would like price to touch on these guys before I could see a buy. So presently I'm just managing this trade. Let me not say managing, because there's actually nothing I've been doing. I've just been looking at it, just been bored with the movement, and I've not been on my system for a couple of while, so I used the opportunity to make the video for the coming weeks. So expectation for the coming weeks is bullish. Don't sleep on it. So I'm targeting this zone on BTC. Now the problem is BTC could take this zone out, and BTC might reverse on this zone. So for the percentage drawdown I want to have, I'll prefer to just target this zone and just take my profits on BTC and look for more entries later on. I think that's on BTC that I have for now. I will see you guys in the next one.